Okay, guys. Back again. Going to, took out a truck full of guys and then three, man, you are in one amazing position. I hope you know that. Wow, I didn't realize how big you guys actually were. Seriously, you could be a Spider-Man villain. You're just so big. It's pretty amazing. Oh, that's perfect. I used up 3 grenades. There's 3 grenades right there. Works perfectly. Health kit. Wow. I didn't realize it didn't get hurt all that much. They must have expected me to suck ass. Because there was so much there. Unfortunately for them, I didn't. Okay, we're in the... Oh god! Fuck! Fuck! No! Oh, you dickbag! They're going through the window. Looks... This is a job for I don't give a fuck, boy. I'll take you out to dinner. But the night will not be ending in any sexual content because I do not give a fuck. Oh, Jesus. Give me that. As I said before, they park so that you can't go anywhere. Who does that? No, I'm not. You can't see anything if you're dead. Got him. Wasn't too bad. Hey! You stay the fuck down! You stay right where the fuck you are! I already killed you once, I don't need to kill you again.
Looks like the largest concentration of enemy forces is in that area.
Really now. So, here's the deal. I only have enough ammo for about 18 platoons. Is that enough, or will I need more? Oh, gee willikers. Catman, Catwoman, where are you? Oh no, oh. Don't do your jump kick yet. I don't need that yet, so. Let's see what's upstairs. A door. Well, everything seems to be going... Oh no, not again! Oh, you can't forget shit! Who does that and why? Oh... Who does that and why? I don't understand. Oh, my adrenaline is pumping. I'm shaking out of exhaustion and scaredness. I'm sorry, what? What? Is something going on? Something's going on, tell me, because I want to know. Okay, so we just gotta go up there. It's pretty obvious, we go up here. Ah, why?
Well, the situation in Auburn seems to be intensifying. Shortly after a U.S. military helicopter crashed on the roof of an abandoned hotel, fierce fighting was reported in the surrounding area. Police have expanded their cordon to include Auburn and have begun evacuating residents from the primarily industrial district.
Why is this radio here? Do people work here? I don't like how this place looks. Gives me bad feelings. Yeah, no. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So... You can try to secure the area, but you have a one-man apocalypse right here. That's right. I'll mess you up. I'll mess you up big time. Quickly charge, move, move, move. Grab the ammo, I guess. Not this way apparently. We got... Where we go? This way? No. Okay. What? How do I get up you? Oh, right here. Yep. That'll work. Oh, oh gosh! Hi, buddy! Oh, die! Die like the rest of your family and friends. Gotta go up the ladder. Up the ladder is safe. Well, safer. Oh gosh, it's not safe. It's not safe at all. It's not even safer. There's still people up here. Come on. Come on. Ow! Frack. Frack me with the spoon. I've had to use up 3 health kits already, you assholes. Oh, this is how we're supposed to get to the... Well, there is a health kit right here, so... No, that much of a waste. Yeah, let's not go into these. I have nothing but horrible feelings and regrets down there. Okay, so... Let's see why I'm... Well, it looks like I have to go down that way, huh? Okay. Guess it makes sense for me to have to go down the spooky fucking hole. On the bright side, I got a bit of armor, and I can't get down! I can't get down! That's the moment when a DayZ thing happens and my leg just breaks for no apparent reason. I'm underground once again. That goes downstairs. This doesn't. There are people inside of that? Oh, I see what you're trying to hint at. Yeah, I see. You're so smart. A pistol. Yes, I loved the pistol at the beginning, but I wasn't dealing with the kind of crap I'm dealing with now. Yeah, let's not go through that way. Let's go back this way and we'll go downwards. Oh, what is this? A truck? Man, I wonder what could be inside. Seriously, nothing? Seriously, nothing? What was even the point? Okay, well, I guess we'll just go this way then. I see you. Fuck indeed, because you wanna know who's here? KizerMiRK! Oh gosh! I blew up a barrel. That's nice, right? Ah! Please die already. Please. Got him. I got him. I got the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that too. Just give me everything. Oh no. Oh, okay. I thought that was a mech. Ow! You can't hit what keeps moving. I took care of him. Unfortunately, he blocked the door, and there's ammo right there, which I really want. I will get to it somehow. Some way. Seriously, that guy's like super armored. For him to even being like, yeah, no, fuck this. I gotta block the door. It's actually kind of a compliment. No, no, stay down. If you know what's good for you, you'll just stay down. Ow! Two guys at the bottom of the stairs keep shooting me. So I fucked their faces and I broke their knee. It was good. Gimme that, especially. The ammo's pretty hard to come across. Or at least it was. Hey! How's it going? How's it going? You guys been having fun? Like, it felt like forever since I last saw all of you. And your cousins, and your brothers, and the 1,500 other people that I fucking murdered here. Can't even grab that. It's a multi-rocket launcher. I'm really thinking about it, but at the same time, it's probably a bad decision. Knowing me, I just ended up killing myself somehow. Can this place be lit up a bit more? No! No!
Now, her presence is strong here.
No! Why does her presence have to be strong in here? Oh, she should probably put on more perfume or something. Oh god. Oh god. God, it's just so dark. I mean, look, the windows Vinta black. Like Jesus. And these don't even do anything. They're not even glass. They're just the plastic. No. I've given you enough content for today. Thank you for watching. I'll save the heart attack for the next episode, okay? I'm gonna lie down. Bye.